I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide that you can use to start a successful forex trading business and also make steady income every day. But first, permit me to explain what forex trading is all about. Forex trading is the process of speculating on currency prices to potentially make a profit. Currencies are traded in pairs or are exchanged with each other. A trader is speculating on whether one currency will rise or fall. So this means that with the right education and training, you can make some money from forex trading. So right now, follow this step-by-step guide to start a successful forex trading business. Step 1. Study and learn everything that you need to know about the forex market. Study the forex market properly before you start trading. You can learn about forex trading by watching free tutorial videos on YouTube. You can also learn about forex trading by visiting websites and blogs that post articles about the forex market. You can also buy forex courses on e-learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. So go to e-learning platforms and buy video courses that teaches forex trading. Step 2. Choose a forex broker and register with them. After learning and studying the forex market, you now need to register with a forex broker. So look for a reputable forex broker and register with them. Examples of forex brokers that you can choose from are AvaTrade, eToro, Capital.com, and CMC Markets. Research these forex brokers that I just mentioned now and register with them. Choose one and register with them. So conduct a market research and choose a forex broker that is best for you. So conduct a research on your own and choose the best broker for your forex trading career. Step 3. Practice with a demo account. After registering with a forex broker, you need to start practicing with a demo account. A demo account will be provided to you by your forex broker. So make sure that you practice first with a demo account before you start trading the real forex market. So practice and become good at forex trading before you trade the real market or before you deposit money to your forex trading account. Step 4. Deposit some money into your forex trading account. Once you have practiced enough on your demo account, then you need to start trading the real forex market. So open a forex account and start depositing money so that you can start trading the forex trading market immediately. Step 5. Use trading strategies and forex indicators to your advantage. It is important to develop a trading strategy that suits your trading style and risk tolerance. You should also backtest your trading strategy to ensure that it's very profitable. Examples of trading strategies that you can use to trade the forex market are entry and exit points, risk management techniques, a plan for managing your trades, and scalping strategies. Also try to incorporate trading plans to your forex trading strategies. Examples of trading plans for trading the forex markets are 1. Position trading, 2. Swing trading, 3. Range trading, and 4. Scalping. Also use forex indicators to predict the forex market accurately. Examples of indicators that you can use to predict the forex markets are Bollinger Bands, moving average, stochastic, Fibonacci, and pivot point. So use these forex indicators that I just mentioned to trade the forex market. Step 7. Withdraw your money after making profit from the forex market. Withdraw your money from the forex broker after making huge profits. Withdraw your money from your forex broker to your bank account. Do this to avoid the temptation of losing your profits by trading your profits on the forex market. Trading your profits back on the forex market may lead to a loss of your money. So try to withdraw certain amounts after making some profits to avoid you losing the money that you made. So avoid being greedy. So that's all for today. So these are the steps that you need to take to start a successful forex trading career. So follow these steps diligently and you become successful in the forex trading business. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Please, if you have any questions to ask me on the comment section immediately right now. I'm telling you to ask me any questions on the comment section so that I can answer them and also support you. So ask me any questions on the comment section so that I can answer them and reply them immediately. Also support me by liking and sharing this video so that other people can also learn how to make money online. Share this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to make money online and also learn how to start trading the forex market. Remember to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification button so that you can get the latest information about online businesses. Also watch other videos on this channel to learn different strategies and skills that you can use to make money online. So watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different tips that you can use to make money easily online. Thanks for your support. Goodbye. See you in my next video.